on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be sharing 5 different websites that you can use to start earning $100 a day online. But before I get into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel, Motivational Marketer. And if this is your first time here, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon if you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online. Okay, so let me just get into this video. So some of these websites that I'm going to be mentioning in this video, you can use them to earn $100 a day online, but you can also earn a whole lot more than that if you're willing to put in the work. Okay, so let me just go over to the first website that I want to share with you guys. Now this website is a website called Teespring. So this is basically a print-on-demand website that you can use to start creating designs and selling designs like t-shirts, sweaters, socks, phone cases, and other accessories. So if you look right here, there's plenty of different designs that are sold on this platform, and you can also sign up to become a seller. Now, if you're wondering how it works, all you have to do is just click right here where it says About Teespring, and they break it down on how you can start signing up and start making money with them. So if we scroll down, we can see the different products that we can create by putting our design on them. So anything from phone cases to leggings to tank tops to t-shirts, sweaters, beach towels, coffee mugs, even hats. So you can put your design on any of these type of products and then sell them. So you can actually make money using Teespring without even investing any money up front. So since this is a print-on-demand service, all you have to do is create a design, and then you're going to use Teespring or some other platform to market your product. And then once somebody buys that product that you're selling, let's say it's a t-shirt for this example. Let's say when somebody buys your t-shirt, it's going to be printed and then it's going to be shipped out to the customer. So all you have to do is create a product and then collect your profits whenever that product is sold. Now, most people who use Teespring, they use YouTube to promote their products. But you can also use different platforms to promote your products off of Teespring. So if you're somebody who's creative and you're good with graphic design, or you don't even have to be good with graphic design, you can actually hire somebody to create graphics for you. And then you can just place them on merchandise like t-shirts and sell them. Maybe this would be a good option for you to start earning $100 a day online. Okay, so the next website that I want to share with you guys is a stock footage website called Shutterstock. Now, I'm pretty sure most people have heard about this website already. So basically, this is a website where you pay to use images without those watermarks over them. But you can actually make money by uploading your own content. And anytime somebody purchases the rights to use your content, then that's when you earn royalties. So let's take a look at the different types of content that are available. So it's not only limited to photos, you can actually create vector art, illustrations, footage, and music. So if you can create any kind of this content, then this would be a good way for you to earn $100 a day online. Now, how would you sign up? Well, if we go to the bottom right here, all the way to the bottom, and we look right here where it says under our company, we click on sell content. I mean, it's as easy as just signing up and uploading your content. So what you're going to do is you're going to create content, you're going to submit it, and then you're going to get paid anytime somebody downloads your content. So if you think about it, you can create a passive income using this method. Let's say that you upload a picture. It's a great looking photograph of some nature scenery. If people see that picture and they want to use it, they would have to pay for the rights to use that photograph. So if you have 10 people that like one photo and they're willing to pay for the rights, then you're earning residuals off of 10 people. So that's something to think about. All right, so let me just jump over to the next website. So this one is for people who enjoy writing. So this website is called TextBroker. So what this is a platform where you can actually get paid to write blog articles for other companies. So if I click right here where it says I write content, and you click right here where it says how TextBroker works, they break it down into simple steps. So you have to first register and then verify that you're a US citizen. So this website is only available for people who are US citizens. And then you're going to submit a writing sample. The reason why you have to submit a writing sample is so they can evaluate your writing skill. And then once they evaluate your writing skill, they're going to give you a rating. Then you got to complete your profile, and then you can start earning money when you start writing blog articles. Now, if you're wondering how they rate you, all you have to do is just go right here and click on payment. And then they're going to pay you based off of your writing skill. So if you're wondering how much that is, it's 1 cent if you have a 3-star rating, and then 5 cents if you have a 5-star rating. So if you're wondering how much that would be, like writing out, let's say, 1,000-word article, they have a little calculator right here. So for 1,000 words at a 2-star level, you're earning $7, which is not a whole lot. For 3 stars, you're earning $10. But if we look right here, with 5 stars at a 1,000-word blog article, you're earning $50. So writing 1,000 words is not gonna take a whole lot of time. But I would recommend this website for people who enjoy writing and who are looking to improve their writing skills. Alright, so let me just jump over to the next website. Now, most of you have probably heard about this website. It's a freelancing website called Upwork. So this is a website where many people come to get services done for them. Anything from web development, mobile development, design, writing, and you can actually sign up and provide these services yourself. So if you're skilled in any of these areas, I would highly recommend using Upwork. Let's say, for example, if I were to go with a design service and I want to get like a video animation design done, it's going to show me people who are qualified or who know how to do this skill, and it's going to show me their hourly rate. So as you can see, this guy is right here at the top of the list, $94 an hour. Got other people, $80, $40 an hour. So I mean, it's pretty competitive, and I mean, depending on what kind of services that you need done for you, I mean, I'm pretty sure you can get a good professional to do them for you. But you can also sign up and provide these services as well. Now, if you're probably thinking like, I don't know how to provide any kind of online services, I would recommend that you take the time to learn how to do one of these, so that way you can use this skill to start earning you an income. Okay, so the next website that I want to share with you guys is a website called ClickBank. Now, this is a pretty popular website when it comes to affiliate marketing. Now, if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're making commissions by promoting other people's products online. So anytime somebody purchases a product that you're promoting, then that's when you make a commission. So ClickBank is a great website for affiliate marketers. So it has a wide variety of different categories of affiliate products that you can promote. Let's say, for example, that I'm in the health and fitness niche. So it's going to show me a list of different health and fitness products that I can promote as an affiliate. Let's say that I want to promote this product right here, Hemorrhoid No More. It's a $37 product, but I can actually promote this as an affiliate. So if I were logged in, it would show me how much I would earn as an affiliate anytime somebody purchases this product. But this is showing me the product price right here. It would also show me all the stats of how popular this product is and if there's any recurring billing. Like, let's say if this is a product that people buy a subscription to, like a monthly subscription to. You know what, let me actually log in so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Alright, you guys, so I logged into my account, and this is going to show me all the statistics of each product. I couldn't find the other one, Hemorrhoid No More. I guess you can't promote that as an affiliate or something. But I found a very popular product called Organifi. Now, this is a common product that people use for weight loss. So as you can see, the average dollar per sale is $72.16. And it shows me right here the average percent of sales. So 81% of people usually buy this product. And it also shows me the average percent of rebill. So this is like something that people get a monthly subscription to. Since it's a health supplement, people run out of it and then they need more. So 41% of people who use this product actually rebill, meaning that they repurchase the product again and again. And the gravity, it says 90.88. So that the gravity means how popular this product is when it comes to selling. So using ClickBank to promote affiliate products is a great way to start earning $100 a day or more. So the best way to promote affiliate products is by creating content around that product, maybe doing a review. So let me see if I go to YouTube. And let's say if I type in Organifi green juice. So as you can see, there's people who are doing reviews about this product. Okay, so if I click on one of these videos about this product, let's say this guy's video, for example, he's doing a review about this product, and I'm pretty sure that he's going to have an affiliate link for this product. See right here, order again Organifi green juice here. And this is going to take me to, let me guess, the product page of this health supplement. So if I were to purchase this product, this guy right here, he would make a commission because I'm buying this product through his affiliate link. So that's a great way to make money by using affiliate products to start earning money. Now, the last website that I want to share with you guys is called Amazon Associates. So Amazon is probably the most popular website in the whole world right now, and you can actually become an affiliate for Amazon. And basically, you can promote any product that is sold on Amazon as an affiliate. So you can do the same thing. Pick a product that you want to promote as an affiliate, and then you're going to create content around that product. So all you have to do is join. You advertise a product that you want to promote, and then you earn money anytime somebody clicks on that affiliate link and they purchase that product. Now, if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook download down in the description below of this video. It's called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And basically, I go over how you can use affiliate marketing to start earning money online. So I recommend you guys check that out. It's completely free if you want to learn more about affiliate marketing. So those are the 5 different websites that I wanted to share with you guys in this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and hopefully you got some value from this video. And if you want to know my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.